Good morning, Professor. I'm going to explain my paper here. The paper is Deep Learning, named Srinu Peduvarapu. The agenda is Introduction to Deep Learning, Evaluation of Machine Learning. Machine Learning was Deep Learning, Theoretical Literature Review, Key Concept in Deep Learning, Supervised Learning in Deep Learning, Unique Characters of Deep Learning, Advantages of Deep Learning. Coming to introduction to deep learning is a substance of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers. It drives advertisements in AI, enabling systems to process and understand complex data pattern, input layer, and hidden layer to output layer. Evaluation of machine learning, artificial intelligence, engineering of making intelligent machines and programs. Machine learning involves manual feature extraction where experts design features for the learning algorithms. The deep learning automates feature extraction by using multiple layers of neuration that learn heretical representation of data. Coming to theoretical literature review, deep learning variants, learning algorithms, representation learning, overfitting techniques, optimization. Coming to machine learning was deep learning difference bit. A, a substance of artificial intelligence AI that enables computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. A substance of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, deep neural networks to learn heretical representation of data. Requires manual feature extension where domain expert design features. Deep learning will automatically learn to the future from raw data through multiple layers of neurons. Performance improve with more data, but traditional machine learning algorithm plateau after a certain point. Continues to improve with more data, often requiring large data sets to achieve high performance. The examples of SVMs are random forest. The deep learning example is model like GPT-3 or RESTnet. Coming to key concept, representation learning. Deep learning models learn representation of data at multiple levels of abstraction. Multiple level of representation. Data undergoes transformation through layers, each providing a higher level abstraction. Coming to neural networks, composed of layers of neurons where each layer transforms the input data to a more abstract level. Machine learning representation layer equal to deep learning. Coming to deep algorithm categories, supervised of distributive deep learning, con- convolution neural network CNNs, a subtype of the distributive architecture is the CNN. Unsupervised or generative deep learning, restricted Boltzmann machine learning missions RBM, hybrid architecture. Supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model is trained on a labeled data set. Learning process, input data, raw data fed into the network. Neural network layers, series of transformation applied to the data. Output, models predictions. Loss function, measure prediction error. Back propagation, computes gradients. Weight update. Adjust weight to minimize loss. Repeat. Iterate unit coverages. Coming to another characteristic of deep learning. Here is the heretical learning. Deep learning models learn heretical representation of data through multiple layers of abstraction. Automatic feature extraction. Unlike traditional methods that requires manual features, engineering deep learning models automatically discover the optimal features for the task. Handling high dimension of data. The deep learning excels at handling high demonstrational data such as images, audios, and text by learning compact and informative representations. Coming to the transfer learning, the ability to transfer knowledge from one task to another, leverage pre-trained models on large data sets of different but it's a related tasks. Robust and noise. Deep learning models can be robust and noisy due to their ability to learn complex patterns and representation. Coming to unsupervised learning, in the deep learning can discover hidden patterns in the data without label, useful for clustering and demonstration reduction. Semi-supervised learning combines a small amount of labeled data with a large amount of data to improve learning accuracy. Coming to advantages of deep learning, automatic feature extraction, traditional machine learning methods and deep learning, complex function learning, power of deep learning models, enhanced performance and generalization. Coming to versatility, wide range of applications, multimodal learning. Coming to applications, image recognition, natural language processing, drug discovery, and genomics. Coming to here is the thank you. And any questions?